What's up everybody, welcome back to yet another video. Today we're tying the Holy Grail although the title there was a little bit of a clickbait, this fly is actually called the Holy Grail. So it's a caddis nymph type thing, really cool one. I haven't fished this that much actually, but I'm pretty sure some of you guys out there already know it. But if you're new to fly tying, this is definitely one you need to try out. Not only to hone those skills, but also some of the trouts just absolutely can't resist this one. So let's jump down to my vise here and tie out this Holy Grail. So the hook in the vise here is from Eric's Hooks, of course, and it is the FW541, the curved nymph. So just get some thread going here on the hook. Slide that bead up to right around this point here, and then you want to secure that in place by wrapping over it like this. And you need to leave a little bit of room up here for some false hackle and a head. So just leave a few millimeters up in front of that bead. And then remember to make some. Here comes the cat. Come here, cat. I need your fur. That's what I thought. Get out of here. So as I was saying, secure that bead by wrapping over it like that. There we go. So now that's secure. Get a thread base going. All the way down to right around this point here. Get back up again a little bit. Get some olive wire, just some sort of wire. Kind of want to slide that into the bead there. Tie that in on the side. All the way back to here. Move back up a little bit. Get that out of the way. Then you need some sort of milar for the body here. This is just some uni milar pearl. Cut off a piece. Get that in as well. I like to just kind of stick it into the hole of the bead here while I tie it in. If it works. As well. Get that out of the way. Then you want to grab some dubbing. In this case I will be using some golden olive SLF squirrel, just because it has that nice buggy look to it. So make a dubbing noodle here on your thread. Just get a little bit of a base layer going. Remember to try and taper that body a little bit. Not that the fish care that much, but I like to do it like that to at least get the silhouette right. And also, as you guys know, I need to photograph this afterwards. And with a macro lens, everything just becomes visible. So I also kind of have to make these flies get out of the way. Not make the flies get out of the way. It's a rib here, it's kind of annoying. Make these flies as perfect as possible. This is also a really fast tie if you just don't pay that much attention to the tapering part and all that. Just slam some dubbing on that body and then you're good to go. So you can easily fill up a row of these or an entire box if that's your thing. It's right around this point here. And get that tinsel. Make some open turns. Just like this. Secure that. Snip that off. Take that rib, counter wrap it. Which will hold that tinsel in place and really make this fly super durable. Make sure that's nice and tight before you kind of wiggle this one free. Come on. There we go. Make a few more wraps here. Then I want to grab some of this, what's it called? Pheasant tail? Peasant. I almost said peasant. But that's not the word. So just trim off a good amount of strands here like this. Tie those in directly behind the bead. Just do that like this. This will act as I guess the wing case. This is kind of the stage before it gets its wings. So afterwards you'll be folding this over like so. Get a little bit more dubbing. Just cover up that part here. Like so. Move your thread up in front of the bead, just like that. And here you can see, then you can just fold this over. Before we do that, I want to tie in some padrid. Not a whole lot. This will mimic legs, so just take a feather here. I hope you can see it because I'm wearing a white shirt. But just pluck out a good amount here and tie these in. So you want these to be the length from the hook tip there to the bead, which is just right around here. Tie these down and spread them out a little bit. Like so. Let me see here. this front here. Just like that. And then fold over this wing case, pheasant tail. Make sure it's nice and tight. Guess I could have used a little bit more, so I'll just kind of flare it out like this. The fish won't mind, but as I said, for the photo, trim that off, make a whip finish. Just one. Trim off this thread, switch it out, and then I will make one with fluorescent yellow, just to kind of make a hot spot up here. I think it looks really good on the fly. Just form a little head. Like so. Make another wood finish. Cut off the thread. Maybe give the fly a little bit of a brush through here. There we go. If you want to, you can take some UV resin and just put a small drop on top of that wing case there, just to make it even more indestructible. Clear that with your lap, and here you can really see that hot spot. And that is that, the Holy Grail. Really great fly. So definitely try that one out. That was it for today, guys. Really fast one, but definitely a fly you don't want to miss having in your box if you're fishing streams and stuff like that for trout. I absolutely love this pattern. So go ahead and try that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. Hit the thumbs up and the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And I will see you in the next one.